If you deal with seasonal income and expense fluctuations, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to handle them without stress. And stick around, because at the end I'll give you one key mindset shift that makes all the difference. Plus, I tested a bunch of tools, and the one we're using in this video comes with an exclusive free trial just for viewers of this channel. Links in the description if you want to follow along. So let's get straight into it. Step 1. You need to know your off-season before it hits. That means looking back over the last 12 months and spotting the months where income dipped or expenses spiked. If you're using the software we'll be working with, just plug in your numbers from the past year and it'll automatically show you a visual breakdown of your seasonal patterns. This clarity helps you prepare, not panic. Once you've identified those seasonal trends, the next step is to build your baseline. Take your lowest income months and figure out how much you absolutely need to survive and run your business during those periods. That's your baseline budget. Make sure you build this out inside the software for quick access and comparison. Now we plan for the highs. When your income spikes, the temptation is to upgrade everything. But hold up. The trick is to treat your surplus months like savings months. Set a rule inside the software to automatically allocate a portion of that income toward a reserve fund. This isn't just saving, it's stabilizing your future. For your fluctuating expenses, it's all about smoothing out payments. Use the software to map recurring annual or quarterly costs, like insurance, software subscriptions, or marketing campaigns, and split them into monthly sinking funds. That way, when the payment hits, you're not scrambling. The software does the math for you so your cash flow stays smooth year-round. Now, cash flow forecasting is where things get powerful. The software we're using lets you create multiple scenarios, like what happens if your sales drop 30% next spring or if expenses double in Q4. You can instantly see how those changes affect your budget and adjust proactively. Finally, give yourself a monthly finance checkpoint. Set it up on the same day each month. Review income, expenses, and your reserve fund. This regular check-in builds financial discipline and helps you avoid surprises. The key takeaway? Managing seasonal income and expense fluctuations is all about planning ahead while you're still in control, not reacting when things get tight. And with the right system in place, it becomes automatic. Quick recap: identify your off-season, build your baseline budget, save during the highs, split large costs into smaller sinking funds, use forecasting tools for what-if planning, and set a consistent monthly review. And if you want to make this easy on yourself, grab the exclusive free trial of the software we used. It's in the description below and only available to viewers of my channel. It's simple, intuitive, and honestly, one of the few tools that handles seasonal fluctuations properly. That's it for now. Stay smart, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next one.